Oppo is expected to launch its next flagship smartphones, the Find X8 and X8 Pro, in October. It turns out that the phones will be accompanied by 2 additional products if a rumor by usually reliable tipster Digital Chat Station is to be believed. The tipster took to his Weibo to reveal that Oppo will be launching Pad 3 Pro tablet and Enco X3 earbuds alongside the Find X8 phones. There's no mention of a specific launch date or time frame, though. These are all top-of-the-line products from the Chinese brand. For instance, the Find X8 and X8 Pro will come with MediaTek's upcoming Dimensity 9400 processor. Both of them will have an OLED display, but the former is expected to have a flat 6.7-inch panel while the latter may come with a 6.8-inch curved display. Their camera setup is said to include a 50MP main, 50MP ultrawide, and a 3x telephoto lens. The Pro model will add a 10x periscope telephoto to complete the setup. Likewise, the Duo will share 1000 wired charging support. It will fuel a 5600 mAh cell in the X8 and a 5700 mAh battery. The Oppo Pad 3 Pro, on the other hand, is said to feature a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading edition processor, 16GB of RAM, and 1TB of storage that will run Android 15-based ColorOS 15 environment.